In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tremendous Visa card. So it's actually quite simple. The first thing you want to do is go to this link over here, which is reward.tremendous.com/visa-cards. And in here, you'll get basically a Visa card, which says activate your card. You want to just click on that, and you want to enter in the 20-digit code on the back of card. Now, this is not required for virtual cards, so in case you have a virtual card, you will just have to click the link in your email. But if you do have a physical card, you will have to enter in the 20-digit code on the back of your card, which is basically this number over here, just below this barcode over here. And once you type that in, you want to press yes, submit, and then once activated, the card can be used both in-store and online for any purchases of equal or lesser value to the card's remaining balance. So that's basically it. That's how you use the Tremendous Visa card. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.